What's wrong with you? Hey, cops are on the way, man. Stop throwing shit. Stop.
Hey, get off my porch or I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the police. I have your face. I have your face. You better drop it.
Welcome to Hoodwatch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Put that down, bro. Yo, put that down. Yo! Yo, put it down.
That's great. The weapon? And he didn't give a fuck.
This lady comes onto this porch and starts taking apart this package. Don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Hey, get off my porch or I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the police. I have your face. I have your face. You better drop it. I'm calling the cops anyway.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. It's midnight. I don't know what this guy wants. Like I said in my last video, be careful what you keep in your yard. It could attract some desperate and strange characters.
Get off my porch and put my stuff down. Put my stuff down.
Don't even try that shit. Hey, I got cops on the way. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. I got cops on the way. And put that board back up.
This guy turns the ring cam into target practice when he gets caught.
Stop fucking throwing shit. What's wrong with you? Hey, cops are on the way, man. Stop throwing shit. Stop. It's throwing wood.
In the house?
Yeah, it's trying to knock down the camera. Put that shit out.
Y'all fucking thieves. I say, don't come to my yard no more. Nah, don't fucking play with me. Stop trying to steal out people's fucking cars. We work. Lame ass niggas. Take y'all bitch ass to school.
Not really sure what's up with this guy or what he got going on, but Charlotte takes a tumble.
Why you have your fingers in my camera?
Roll door.
Please double check those doors before you go in. And it also helps to not have your garage open at 2 a.m. Please try to be aware of your surroundings at all times as much as possible. This bike was stolen right under this family's nose.
the package?
Behind this car.
She's behind this
Right
car.
there.
I see her. Yeah, she's right here. She's right here. Oh my God.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Be careful with these people trying to tamper with your camera. They could be setting you up for a crime later on. Don't forget to lock those bikes up or try to keep them inside.
Yes, I do. I do have to get used to it. I do. God said it. Amen.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please hype me up in those comments. I'll see you in the next one.
Right one, bitch. What are you talking about? Scary ass bitch.
The holiday season is back around. Please find a way to protect your packages or whatever you're going to be ordering online for you and your friends and family.